In order to mix up the nutrient broth for the coliform bacteria experiment, you're going to need 2 milliliters of ethanol, 100 milliliters of distilled water, and 4.8 grams of the Endo broth powder. Important things to remember when doing this: you always want to wear gloves, okay, protective clothing, your safety goggles, okay, and also you want to be wearing a mask because, again, this is a very fine powder. Okay, I always keep it up here out of the way so that it can't get contaminated, but it is close enough within reach. Okay, you want to mix up the water and alcohol. You want to place it into the 250 Erlenmeyer flask first before you add the powder. Okay? If you do it the opposite way, when you go to plunge the syringe with the alcohol, okay, a lot of times that powder will start to creep back up into the syringe and it contaminates the syringe. Okay, we do have some staining around this one, but the inside is clean. Okay, but once that syringe gets contaminated, when another instructor goes to put it back into the rubbing alcohol, okay, then the entire solution gets contaminated. Once the solution's been mixed up, you're going to place it onto the hot plate and you're going to turn it to 4.5. Okay, it's a fairly low heat setting. It's going to take anywhere from 15 to possibly 20 minutes to start boiling. Okay, definitely set an alarm to make sure that you're keeping an eye on this. This is not something you want to leave unattended. As you can see, we are just now coming to a boil, so at this point you want to turn off the hot plate, unplug it, and then remove the flask from the hot plate so it can cool. These need to be room temperature before you can do any actual Petri dish prep.